Morning Show. Ako si Annie Grace Catalanto po si Jay Halalidoni. At then, ang ating magbisita sa mga sa inandun mo. Grabe din.
Grabe gid yan.
Well, we did see her perform on stage and on TV, but now, up close and personal, let's get to know the pop princess of the music industry here in the Philippines, Miss Sarah Geronimo. Welcome to the Morning Show. Good morning po. Good morning.
Good morning sa lahat ng viewers na The Morning Show.
Yes. Okay,
Yes.
great.
Okay, yes. Sarah Geronimo, you started at age 5. Kung si Michael Jackson na King of Pop, ikaw yung pop princess natin.
Wow!
Tapos, you keep coming here to Bacolod. Ano ba yung nasa Bacolod na gustong-gusto mo dito?
Siyempre po, it's always been my pleasure to perform for mga kababayan natin dito sa Bacolod. At siyempre, yung mga smiles nila at yung joy ba na naibibigay ko sa kanila whenever I perform, yun yung talagang binabalik-balikan ko.
Wow, you're the hottest female star ngayon. Everywhere we go, we ask, especially the young generation, Sarah Geronimo kagad yung sagot
Wow
nila.
naman!
So how do you handle all this? Being viewed as a symbol of inspiration of your success story, the expectations they place on you, na every move you make, kailangan tama, and then may mga kabataan na nagsusubaybay na yung career.
Ito pong meron ako ngayon, success that I have right now, I owe it to my parents, yung kanilang continuous na guidance sa akin. They keep me grounded, they remind me kung ano yung mga tama o yung mga mali na hindi dapat gawin. So, ayun po yung parents ko talaga. And syempre, yung buong family. Ayan. At, wala na. Sobrang blessed na po ako. Of course, si Lord. Yun nga po yung prayers.
I was going to ask you, Buti, you brought up yung parents mo. Ito kasi pag showbiz, siyempre maraming intriga, maraming ganyan. Tapos, not only on camera, off camera rin. So, how supportive are your parents pag mga ganito in times of crisis? Paano? How do they show support?
In times of crisis. Oo nga, pati yung parents ko po naiintriga eh. They've always been so supportive. Ever since naman po nung bata ako, nung talagang nakitaan na nila ako ng potential na yung dream ko talaga na maging singer, na maging performer, talagang kahit na mahirap ang buhay noon, talagang nagpursige sila, nisuportahan ako kahit na may mga financial problems. Ito po ngayon, may mga intriga. Well, noon po kasi sobrang mahirap, no? Kasi nung nag-uumpisa ako. Pero ngayon, na medyo sanay na. As long as we know the truth, kampante naman kami kung ano talaga yung alam namin, yung totoo.
With your busy lifestyle, how do you keep your relationships going, especially with your parents, your family, with your Philippine tour? How do you still keep up with meeting up with your commitments with your family?
Ayun po, we see to it po na every Sunday, after work, after ASAP, ganyan, nagkikita-kita kami ng mga... Kasi yung kapatid ko nag-aaral sa UST, so nasa Quezon City po kami. So, nagdi-dinner kami, tapos nanonood ng movie, ganyan. Tapos, yun, after mass, yun, lumalabas kami.
No, wait. Speaking of movies, we see you in concerts. Yung mga movies mo, top grossing in the history of the Philippines. Wow, grabe. Anyway, I was going to ask you, meron ba tayo, will we be seeing you sa TV, sa mga soap opera, sa mga ganon? May anything in the pipeline?
Actually po, the other day lang nag-sign up po ulit ako with ABS-CBN. So, another 2 years. So, maggagawa po ako ng mga teleserye. So, abangan niyo po. Excited na rin po ako. And yung movie, sana matuloy. Yan.
Well, Miss Sarah, 5 to 10 years from now, how do you view yourself?
Wow! Siguro po, 5 to 10 years from now, I'd still be singing. Yeah. My heart out. Yun kasi yung passion ko talaga, yung music talaga eh.
In terms of career, will you be experiencing other avenues, going international? Or...
Yun po, ultimate dream ko talaga, yung crossover, yung mapagmalaki yung bansa natin, maging international performer.
No, itanong mo na.
Ano?
Itanong mo na.
Okay, well, I have to ask this. Your love life, how is it? Kamusta ba?
Okay naman po, ano naman, kumbaga, nandun po yung mga inspiration, yung mga taong hinahangaan mo. Mga no? Dami. Nga. Hindi, ganun lang po muna kasi alam ko po sa sarili ko na not yet ready for a commitment relationship kasi magto-21 pa lang ako.
So how do you handle suitors? You've never really been open of identifying kung sino sila. But how do you handle
Tutors? May tutors ba ako? Wala naman po. Siguro yung po, yung pagiging friends lang, wala namang masama siguro kung yung communication tuloy-tuloy, na nagkakwentuhan, ganun lang po muna.
Okay.
Sa mga taong, like say, may sinabi mo, may hinahangaan, mga ganyan. So, who are the people you look up to in terms of, ito yung idol mo, ito yung...
Siyempre, number one po, the king of pop, Michael Jackson.
Sabi ko na, princess.
Sobrang influential ko talaga sa akin si Michael Jackson. Of course, Miss Lea Salonga, Miss Eugene Velasquez, Miss Sharon Cuneta.
Okay. Your message naman, especially to the young generation, to those who want to be like you.
Oo nga, nakakatuwa yung gano'n na na-flattering yung gano'n. As sa mga kids out there, gusto ko naman pasalamat. Thank you for the inspiration. Kumbaga, sila din po yung mga ilan sa dahilan kung bakit nagpupursige ako maging mas magaling po sa ginagawa ko, pagbutihan yung ginagawa ko, itong career ko. So, just follow your dream. Ayan lang. And let your parents guide you and the Lord above. Yun lang. Prayer and parents.
Wow. And we'll be praying for more success.
Thank you po.
Thank you very much and more power to you.
Thank you.
Ang naman niya basically siya sa Pulso. We'll be right back.